if you love spring rolls, you're really gonna love this deconstructed version of it in a bowl. Hi, my name is Courtney. I'm the Director of Brand Marketing here in Haven's Kitchen. And I'm really excited about this recipe. Traditionally, you would see all of these ingredients in a traditional Vietnamese roll with like a rice wrapper. They're a little see-through, super delicious, really like light, perfect for like a summer snack. What I really like about this version of the deconstructed roll is it feels a little bit more filling. You can kind of throw it together. The spring rolls also, in my opinion, kind of require a dexterity that I don't have. So you can really enjoy the components of that spring roll, but in a filling bowl. So for this recipe, we recommend half a pound of shrimp. Our shrimps are already deveined, cleaned, shelled, all the things. We have a handful of microgreens, some sliced cucumbers, lime, a little bit of rice vinegar, avocado, black sesame seeds. You can really use any kind of sesame seeds, rice noodles, and shredded carrots. And Haven's Kitchen's coconut cashew sauce. Absolutely delicious. Haven's Kitchen coconut cashew sauce is a delicious, bright, creamy sauce. It has cashews in it. It has a little bit of coconut milk. It has lemongrass for like a little fresh pop of flavor. You can find this sauce on havenskitchen.com or check out our store locator to find it in a store near you. Okay, so for this recipe, you really only need a medium to large size skillet or pan, and that's it. So for the quick pickle today, we're gonna have our shredded carrots, throw in a little bit of rice vinegar and a little bit of hot water. And if you like this recipe, something you wanna cook, I would like and subscribe and ring that bell so you can get more. This is a fun one. A quick pickle, it's just a great way to like zhuzh up your vegetables without like committing to pickling because it can be scary. Okay, so we're gonna heat up a glug of olive oil in our pan. That's about a glug.